5 amazing benefits of pure cocoa, the secret to preventing 5 common diseases. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Healthy and Happy Living channel. I'm Dr. Emily, your companion on the journey toward natural, safe, and effective healthcare. Did you know that many people think cocoa is a sweet, high-calorie drink that can cause weight gain? In fact, pure cocoa is quite the opposite. It's a superfood packed with nutrients that can help protect the heart, boost memory, slow aging, and provide many other incredible health benefits that not everyone knows about. In today's video, I'll share with you 5 amazing benefits of pure cocoa, along with important tips to help you use it correctly and get the best results. Stay until the end of the video. Ling has a special health gift for you. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support Ling so I can continue creating more valuable content. Part 1. 5 amazing benefits of pure cocoa. 1. Reduce the risk of cancer. Pure cocoa contains powerful antioxidants such as polyphenols and flavonoids. These compounds help neutralize free radicals and protect cells from DNA damage, which is the root cause of cancer cell formation. According to several studies in the United States, the natural compounds in cocoa can inhibit the growth of colon and breast cancer cells through anti-inflammatory and tissue protective mechanisms. Although cocoa is not a medicine, consuming pure cocoa daily can strengthen your immune system and reduce the risk of new cancer cell formation. 2. Protects the heart and reduces the risk of stroke. Heart disease is currently the leading cause of death worldwide, especially among middle-aged and older adults. Cocoa is rich in flavonoids, which help dilate blood vessels, improve circulation, lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL. Interestingly, although cocoa contains natural fats, it actually helps balance blood lipids and lower blood pressure naturally. A 15-year study conducted in the Netherlands found that people who consumed cocoa regularly had a 37% lower risk of heart disease compared to those who did not. So, 1 cup of pure cocoa a day can truly be your best friend for a healthy heart. 3. Stabilizes blood sugar and support people with diabetes. Pure cocoa helps increase insulin sensitivity, enabling your body to use sugar more efficiently and preventing blood sugar spikes. The flavonoids in cocoa also help slow the absorption of glucose from the intestines, keeping blood sugar levels stable after meals. Moreover, drinking cocoa can reduce sugar cravings, helping you control weight and lower the risk of type 2 diabetes. That's why many experts call cocoa the diabetic's best friend. 4. Improves memory and boosts focus. Flavonoids in cocoa enhance blood flow to the brain, nourish nerve cells, and improve processing speed. In addition, theobromine, a natural compound in cocoa, provides a gentle, stimulating effect that increases alertness without the jittery feeling or sleep disruption caused by coffee. A scientific study found that drinking cocoa rich in flavonoids for 3 months significantly improved short-term memory and concentration. So, if you want a sharper mind and better focus, start your day with a cup of pure cocoa. 5. Slows aging and promotes healthy, glowing skin. Cocoa contains polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that are 2 to 3 times stronger than green tea. They protect your cells from free radicals, which cause wrinkles, hair weakness, and fatigue. Cocoa also stimulates natural collagen production, helping your skin become more elastic, smooth, and youthful. Regularly drinking cocoa boosts blood circulation, giving your skin a healthy, rosy glow. In other words, pure cocoa is a natural anti-aging secret that anyone can easily add to their daily routine. Part 2. 4 important tips when using cocoa. 1. Choose 100% pure cocoa powder. Avoid instant or sweetened cocoa, which often contains sugar and flavoring. 2. Avoid mixing cocoa with cow's milk, since milk proteins can reduce the absorption of flavonoids. 3. Use warm water, 30 to 50 degrees Celsius, instead of boiling water to preserve the natural nutrients and aroma. 4. Drink cocoa in the morning or early afternoon. Avoid drinking it at night because cocoa contains theobromine, which may cause difficulty sleeping. Recommended dosage is 10 to 30 grams, about 2 to 5 teaspoons of pure cocoa per day, depending on your health condition. Part 3. 4 groups of people who should use cocoa with caution. 1. People who are overweight or physically inactive. Cocoa contains natural fats and calories. Consuming too much without burning energy can lead to weight gain and high cholesterol. However, drinking a small cup of pure cocoa daily can help reduce sugar cravings and support weight management. 2. People with kidney problems or a history of kidney stones. Cocoa contains oxalates, which can bind with calcium and form stones if consumed in excess. 3. People sensitive to caffeine. Cocoa has theobromine and a small amount of caffeine, which can cause heart palpitations or insomnia. If you have trouble sleeping, it's best to drink cocoa in the morning or early afternoon. 4. Pregnant or breastfeeding women. You can drink cocoa, but only in small amounts each day. Excessive consumption may affect both mother and baby due to its stimulating compounds. Recently, Dr. Emily has shared with you 5 amazing benefits of pure cocoa and the secret to preventing 5 common diseases, along with important tips for safe and effective use. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe to Healthy and Happy Living channel, and share this video to spread the message of healthy living to more people. Wishing you all good health, happiness, and a joyful life every day.